I'm here and I'm just gonna go to Black Friday. And I'm going to make a quick squishy review. I found this at my Up North for $1. This is a bread squishy, but I call it a cake roll because it has filling. And it's actually for decorations, but it is quite squishy. And yeah, so let's open it up. Sorry, I'm looking right here, like, you know, I'm looking at it right now. So let me just sit there and like. So this is kind of what it looks like. So it just has some sparkles on it, and it's like pinkish when it gets to the end. And then it has some filling right here, and same on the other side. The bottom's just plain old foam. And I'll squish it in the package for you guys too. Wait, I'm tortured now. I usually don't with this kind of stuff. Sorry about the noise. It's just really fun, squishy. And it's called Decorate Accessories by. See, it's bread. Doesn't look quite like bread. It looks more like a cake roll kind of sort thing, you know. And I just hope you guys enjoyed this review. And I'll do a giveaway maybe. Take it out of Black Friday if they have a really good deal. I'll give a giveaway and one of my lucky subscribers, if you subscribe. Like, I only have one subscriber, so that subscriber is going to get maybe some like toys. And I'm talking straight to a person because I only have one subscriber. So thank you so much for subscribing. It means a lot to me, and you're my first subscribers, so my first subscriber will get maybe some prizes, but you'll have to give me your address, and you can put it private in the comments. If you can't subscribe to my channel, you just have to say something in the comments, like, do you like squishies or not? Do you want to see more? Or do you want to see Shopkins, Barbie reviews, Monster High, Ever After High, stuff like that? Any kind of toy, even a boy toy, I'll review. I've been reviewing girl toys. I'm very sorry about that. But I'll make it up to you boys out there that like boy toys. So, some boys like girl toys, that's fine. If they do, just wanted to tell you that. I'll be doing a haul after I get back from Black Friday. And it's like 10 right now, so I gotta get going. And yeah, I'm bored because I'm waiting for my grandma. And yeah. And I'll be doing a how to make a squishy video later on. And there's going to be new videos, like a haul, this video, and yeah. Bye, guys.